Hi, this is Eric from MyRestaurantApps. In this video, I will show you how to work with coupons that use the GPS to locate the customer in your locations to trigger the coupons event. I'll show you how the location coupon works within the app as well. Let's get started. Make sure your pop-up blocker is off as always. And I'm assuming you're logged into your client content page. So let's click the content. Now what we're looking for is one that says coupons. Now we may have renamed that for you, and that'll be in your getting started email for what that will be. But for here we're going to click on coupons, and we're going to see it's pretty straightforward here. We already have a coupon that's set up for 3 visits for a free dessert. I like that one. Okay, we're going to edit it. You're going to have a coupon name. Keep it short, because it's going to be going at the top of the page on the handheld device. Start date. If you leave it blank, it's just going to go on forever for both the start and the end. But you can have it for be a week, a day. You can turn these on and off as you need to, so that people need to actually trigger these only within certain periods of time. Right now it's set for 1 location. If you have multiple locations, each one of your locations can have a different set of coupons, and I would suggest that it actually does. Here's where it gets interesting. Target check-in amount means how many times that your customer has to come to your location and check in order for this coupon to be valid. For here we have 3. We can also limit how many hours before the next check-in is valid. Here it's 24. You could make it 1, you could make it a week, you could make it as often as you'd like to try to stagger out the time between when these check-ins can happen. Can this be used again? If I check yes, that means this is a recurring coupon. That means every 3 times that someone checks in, they get a free dessert. If not, it's a one-time event, and once they've used it, it's done. Is the coupon active? As with everything, if we keep it active, it means everyone can see it. If we suddenly want to stop it, we just unclick this after when we save. It'll no longer show up on the mobile devices. Upload image. This image that you want to upload is going to be the reward image, the one that the client or customer will show your server or you to prove that they've actually gotten the reward. Currently I've got it as a little piece of ice cream there, but one of the things it doesn't have in it is it doesn't really tell you what it is. So I changed that image, so I'm going to choose a different file, and I'm going to go to here and say coupons, and open up this one. And then I'm going to wait for a second and say coupon description. Make it a short description of what the actual parameters are for the reward. Visit 3 times and you'll get a free dessert on your next visit. And then a thanks. Don't forget to save. Now that since we've updated the image, okay, if we go back in and we view the current image, we see that show this to your server for a free dessert. Unfortunately, this one does not allow you to edit the image. So your image size should be 640 by 920 pixels before you put it up. Any image editor, even online image editors, will actually work great for that. So save the changes. Let's go to the preview. Coupons only work in these location coupons only work for Apple and Android devices that have GPSs in them. So that's why we're running the simulator. Something to talk about while the simulator is loading here is that there are 2 other types of coupons. There's scan code coupons, where the client has to scan a piece of paper, which can be a tabletop or a tent top coupon, or something the server has, and then punch codes, which work like punch cards, where the server enters in a secret code to make the coupon available. Okay, so we've got this running, and we'll click coupons. One of the things that the app will do is it'll always ask the client if we can use their location. Once they say yes, then it'll be yes for always. But if they say don't allow, this coupon will never work for them. I'll say okay. Now when they see this, they see it's locked and they haven't done anything here for 0 out of 3 times. Share means they can share it on Twitter or Facebook or an email and tell people about it. I'll just turn that off for now. Now when they check in, the device actually knows where it's at, and I'm not quite near where the coupon was set for, so it's not going to let me actually trigger this. But I can always click Get Here, and it will actually give me directions for how to get to your location. Pretty cool. Go back, everything goes back, and that's pretty much it for location coupons. There's no limit to how many you can have, and pretty much it's your imagination for how you'd like to use them. Thank you for having us create your app. You can contact us for further support at the email or phone numbers on the screen. Have a great day.